Josh Benson.
And I'm Jennifer Lee.
Well, a major sex crime sting in Polk County lands 42 people behind bars.
The extensive undercover investigation focused on people who prey on children. News Channel 8's Melissa Marino joins us now from Polk County with more on Operation Child Guardian.
Well, good evening. The details are disturbing. So are the suspects. A martial arts teacher, even a child counselor.
What these folks are is deviants.
Disturbing details about the images they're accused of watching, some even sharing.
We're talking about babies that are sexually abused.
Mark R. Ewald.
One of the suspects, Mark Ewald, a computer programmer accused of downloading hundreds of these despicable images.
He's a member of our 100+ club. He has over 100 counts of child pornography.
And then there's Eric Gordon, a now former child counselor with Peace River Center.
Even great organizations can have a bad apple, and they got one that's rotten all the way to the core.
The organization tells News Channel 8 they did all the proper background checks.
Well, we reviewed any records that he had been involved with, and we found nothing inappropriate.
News Channel 8 went to Gordon's house, but no one was home. In all, 18 people were nabbed for possessing child porn. 21 others were arrested for not abiding by sex offender laws while on the sex offender registry.
Now, most of them will tell you academically that they know it's wrong, it's against society's norms, but it's good for them. Well, we also think prison is good for them.
Well, detectives are still looking for this man, Matthew Sutton, for child pornography charges. We are told his mother was arrested for not cooperating during this investigation. Jen?
Well, Melissa, do investigators believe any of these cases escalated past child pornography?
As of now, no. They say that they have not found any local child victims. Of course, this is an ongoing investigation.
And a disturbing one at that. Melissa Marino live in Polk County for us tonight. Melissa, thanks.